Hey everybody, this is Keybridge Hobby Network. I got a package from T-Bone Racing. I know what it is. It's a part for my Xmaxx. So stay tuned. I'm going to open it up and we're going to install it and see how it goes. Right here. Paper. Put this out of the way. Oh look, got some stickers. Okay, that's good to have. All right, here it is. So I did some bashing with my Xmaxx for the first time a week ago, and at the end of the day, my control arms on the bottom was pretty busted up. You know, I've been looking at this lower A arms skid plates. This is the rear. The front, however, I couldn't find it anywhere. It's apparently on back order. So I'm waiting from T-Bone Racing to let me know when it's gonna be available, so I can have a complete set. But here we go. This is pretty beefy. I like that. So not only that it protects the lower control arm, it also it's got a shield for the shock. From what I've noticed with the Xmaxx, that this area right here is vulnerable to rocks or anything that could hit that area. It's exposed. So I thought that this was a good idea to have. Not only that it keeps the debris from hitting the shock and the shock shaft, you know, it's definitely a good upgrade to have for protection. Okay everybody, so this is how you line up the lower plate. So basically goes in just like so, and then I'll push it up until it stops. You know, and just that's how I lined mine up. You get it as close as to the chassis as you can. It'll line up real easy. Well, once it kind of like stops right there, and then you take the upper plate and just kind of line it up with the screws. It takes a little bit of work trying to line them up. Let me grab my tool. So basically what I did was kind of lined them up, looking through the hole. And kind of get it screwed in. I'm not even tightening them up, I'm just trying to get them all in there, make sure they're lined up. There we go. Got that one in there. Okay, and I went and got my lock nut in there by hand. So I went and got my 7mm nut drive, and then my 2.5 screwdriver, and I kind of snug both at the same time. This other one's a little tricky to get to. Oops, let's see. See, I don't have the tool all the way into the lock nut, but you don't have to torque it that much. I just do mine snug. Okay, that's it. I just did a snug and just gave it a little bit of a slight at the end just to tighten them up, and that's it. Yeah, you just got to remove the upper control arm for ease of access. So I think it took me about 10 minutes, to do it on this side. But let me just kind of put this on real quick so y'all can see. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you on the install. It didn't really come with instructions, but it's easy. It's just a matter of I just took my time, and that's it. Looks good. Until next time.